All right, another Universal. That's that SC Universal. With, ooh, that's a big opening, boy.
Something gonna do something.
I'm scared too.
What you mean?
That's too much. But yeah, we're going on a what we going on? King Quad. All right, that's the stock King Quad pipe. This the aftermarket. We got some pipe expanders from AutoZone. Just get it in. We got the pipe on. About to crank up. Nah, that ain't no too much. That bit breathe. Ooh, that bit deep. It probably gonna make it fall. But inserts though that you could at least
Toss it out.
It sound like a Raptor. It sound like my Raptor.
Like almost sound like a
Sport Quad.
sound like a damn brute force to me.
Oh yeah.